If you're coming to Florida and you've packed like you're going to Michigan, we need to talk. Let me save you some trouble. First rule, the sun does not play around. SPF 30 minimum, and reapply. Yes, even if it's cloudy, even on your ears, even on your feet, don't learn the hard way. You will burn. Second rule, bring real shoes. Flip-flops are just for the beach, not for theme parks, not for walking 18,000 steps, not for kayaking. Bring shoes you know you'll be comfortable walking around in. Third rule, water everything. Waterproof phone case, reusable water bottle, quick dry clothes. Because between beaches, springs, kayaking, surprise rain, and maybe even bioluminescent waters at night, you will get wet. Fourth rule, and this is a big one, bug spray. You'll thank me when you're on a sunset paddle and the mosquitoes choose someone else. If you're doing Florida right, you're doing at least one thing that only exists in Florida, like bioluminescence. If you want to cross bioluminescent kayaking off your bucket list, book a tour with BK Adventure. Visit our website at bkadventure.com or call our office at 407-519-8711 for more information.